Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Okay, so basically today what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to use the BLACKLOTUSX bot, which yeah, anyways, you're gonna all of these files you're gonna see once you log in to once you get the bot. And yes, in order to get the bot, you need to actually go to the link in the description I will put, and you need to create a account, a pocket option account, and you need to at least deposit money. Like, it depends. For this specific bot, I would recommend between $50 and $100. If you can put more than $100, you're probably gonna make even more money. That's of course. So yeah, basically, and then you have to talk to me like in Discord or in Telegram on how on Telegram or on like giving me proof. Like normally you give me your ID. Okay, so anyways, now I'm gonna boot up the bot. So you'll see that it opens like a command line, and well, you might be like, out of all of this, it doesn't really matter. Basically, this is what is important. So let me explain. Now we need, in order to use this, we need to get the SSID. So we're gonna right click and go to inspect element. Now you're gonna go to the network tab, and normally you're gonna be here, and you just gonna go to the web sockets or WS, and you're gonna refresh the website. So you're gonna see three of different endpoints. You wanna go to the last one, and then you wanna scroll up to the top of this thing. Once you're here, you're gonna go to a message that looks like this, like 42 alf, You wanna right click this and copy message. Okay, once you're here, you wanna go here where it says enter pocket option SSID, and you copy paste and you paste it. Now, for this case, I'm gonna show the aggressive. In this case, it's of course the top one is the most accurate one, but less, it makes less trades. And this is the aggressive one, which makes more trades, but it's less accurate. So I'm gonna start the bot by clicking the start button. So you can look at the actual terminal to see what's going on, just like the logs of what's going on. You can just you can't close this because this is really important, but you can minimize it. Okay, look, so now it plays a trade. Here it says place a trade, and in pocket option it plays a trade. So you can see there it placed a trade, and also this uses martingale. So maybe now we lost the trade, but it doesn't really matter because we use martingale. So it made another trade. This one with a bit less accuracy, 41%. Anyways, it lost that trade too. So now you have to wait until now we have to wait for another trade. Please note that of course this is the aggressive and less accurate option. So losing trades could be it can definitely be a thing. So yeah, now it made another call option, which I can say is gonna lose again. But sometimes in terms this time is really weird because normally it's all the time it wins a lot. Sometimes it will happen to this. That's why I don't recommend using that strategy specifically. Yeah, now it won, but I recommend using the balance, the recommended one, because this is gonna it won't make that many trades, but you want to just leave it and I don't know, just leave it forever running, and it will do little trades because this is too aggressive. It's a strategy I made just for showing, to show that the bot works. I really wouldn't recommend you actually using that strategy. I mean, you can if you want, right? There's no issue on using this strategy itself, just, not a really recommended one, So anyways, so that's the bot. I'm actually planning to make maybe a video on the balanced one, showing like how it works. But yeah, so basically, if you want to get this bot, you will need to create a account in the link in the description I will put, because yeah, you know, that's gonna allow me, like, that's gonna allow you to like actually get access to the bot. Of course, you need to show me proof, like in Discord. I'll leave in Discord, Telegram, I'll leave them there, like, and you can actually use this bot. Please note, this bot is 100% free. You just have to get it by, you know, using my link. That's all we need, and you can get it for 100% free. And also, yeah, talking about, I wanted to talk about this, that you might see in the terminal like error or things like that, like a lot of stuff that you might not understand. You don't have to. This just shows like all the information, all of the like strategies, all of everything that uses, you know, it uses a lot of, like, you can see a lot of strategies. All of this, like, it's just the way it works, right? So yeah, maybe you see that we've been actually making money, but I really want to, you need to know that this is the recommended one. That's this one we have to use, not the other one, because the other strategy, this strategy actually loses a lot, and, you know, I would recommend not to. But yeah, anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. It makes me, I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and you can join the community. We will be uploading new videos, and in the community you can have access to bots like this. This is one of many bots we're developing, so stay tuned for this bot, for this next bot we'll be building. And yeah, I guess maybe it's a really bad example that I'm using the aggressive one here, because, you know, it doesn't show the bot being that impressive. But, you know, it's free to use. You can just do the steps and and you can try it on demo, you know. You can try the bot in demo. You don't have to use it in real account, which, yeah, of course, like in real account, you will go here and do exactly to the same steps to get the SSID, and it will work the same. It will work. It will work. It's exactly the same. And yeah, so that's all I want to do for today. I wanted to, you know, get out, maybe wait for another trade. Just, you know, I kind of wanted to finish the video with, you know, a last trade actually is profitable, but, you know, it's not that of a good strategy, so kind of we can't expect that. Well, anyways, there we go. Well, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.